style for reflective, powerful intervention. It's an opportunity for you to be insightful, poetic in your rhythm. It's made just for you, homegirl, with that next door warmth. Your empowering time. It's for women over 40 and seeking a clear money mindset. You should focus right now because you won't build wealth without this. You won't build wealth without this. Not fast wealth, not soul aligned wealth, not wealth that feels like peace. Because, sis, the world is changing, and the skill we were told to master, be nice, be quiet, wait your turn, be thankful, be grateful. Yeah, well, that ain't enough no more. You're 40 something, you've done something right. You gave, you showed up, you made sure everybody was fed, but now it's your turn to eat. And I mean eat well. But you have to be willing to know that you gotta learn, you gotta relearn, and you gotta unlearn all the things in your mind that you have equated to life. And if you grew up like me, you were never taught to build wealth or how to build wealth. We was just taught how to survive. We didn't get taught how to budget, but how to stretch it. And how to pray real hard and just hope it shows up. Nobody handed us the new manual, the one that said, hey sis, if you don't learn this stuff here, you're going to be left behind. And it's not because you're not smart, and it's not because you were never told. Technology. Stop being afraid of technology. This is your shortcut. I know it can feel a little stressful when you don't know the basics and dynamics, but this is not your enemy. Look at it as your shortcut, because so now that you up on game, you're going to learn these 5 skills. Every one of us, 40 and up, as women, need to learn. If you want to make money, move different and stop playing with the small dogs. You have to be willing to learn. Number 1, AI. Get familiar with AI formats, even if it's just Chat GPT. Ask it questions. Let it help you write. Let it help you create offers. It's like having a free assistant who never sleeps and don't judge you. Number 2, I want you to learn how to work with Canva, because there you can build flyers for your business, even create ebooks. You can create YouTube thumbnails for the millions of creators on this website, planners, and get paid. Get paid for using Canva. It's not just creativity, it's currency. Number 3, you're going to learn simple automation. Like email schedulers, you know what I mean. Schedule social media posts and planners for content creators. Creating these different type of automated systems. The systems do the most while you do the less. And if you didn't know, system does stand for something very powerful. The word systems is an acronym. Saving yourself stress, time, energy, and money. Yeah, that's a system. Number 4, you're going to learn voice and video confidence, because if you're not ready to start talking to the camera or start telling your story, where are you going to show up? Even without the nerves, your voice holds value. Use it. And last, number 5, you need to learn some digital product creations, because if you don't know, digital creation is how we cooking now. So if you know how to braid, if you know how to fried chicken and you know how to pray, if you can save and you have a plan, package that, teach that, sell that. There is somebody out there looking for exactly what you've been through. It's only the way that you can put your unique spin on it and your unique input. Someone is looking for that. Someone will value that. So no, I'm not saying you have to be techie or the nerd in the group, but you just need to be open and willing to try to learn these things. Pick one. Right after you decide you're not too old. Right after you decide you're not too late. Right after you have decided that you're not too far gone. You can learn something new, because learning something new, that's the real flex and the real fountain of youth. And baby, that is the real beginning of wealth.